everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tam. Please don't forget to subscribe to see future videos from myself. So in today's video, you guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys an Amazon beauty haul. Now you guys, these are things in which I have been collecting over the quarantine season and the year before and the year before that. A lot of the things that I am going to showcase to you guys are to do with storage, and I believe that I have one or two things as well that's outside of the storage range. Now just before I get into the video, guys, if you're not already following me on Instagram, my Instagram name is @beautywithtam. I'll definitely leave that here for you guys to go and check out and follow and support your girl as well. Anyways, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, you guys, so the first product in which I'm going to showcase to you guys is the makeup brush cleaning mat, and it looks just like this, you guys. As you can see, it's got these different type of ridges and bumps and lines on them, perfect for getting into cleaning your makeup brushes. Now the retail price for this is $4.99, but I did purchase this for cheaper than that on Amazon. I got this for $2.99. That's the amazing thing about Amazon, you guys. Their prices do fluctuate. They never go higher than their original retail price, but they do go lower, whether it be down by a few pounds or down by a few pence. Now I purchased this, you guys, to clean my makeup brushes. Now in all honesty, on the Amazon website when they were displaying this, it did look a lot bigger than what you're seeing right here. The picture made it look as if to say it was a whole lot bigger in width and in length, but as you can see, it somewhat fits the palm of my hand, and I wouldn't personally recommend this for face brushes, but it's absolutely amazing for washing your eye brushes. I'll just demo one here for you guys here. Literally, you guys, you can use the different lines, the different ridges to get into your your makeup brush and definitely get that deep clean going on. I do have a makeup cleaning brush video coming up probably after this video, or maybe 2 videos ahead, where I am actually demoing this product right here. It's absolutely amazing, you guys. Honestly, absolutely love this. Great for eye brushes. Okay, you guys, so next up we have this brush holder. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this. Love this product. You've got these acrylic squares going around the brush holder, and it is a cylinder shaped brush holder. I absolutely love this, you guys, especially when the light is reflecting on this. Right about now my ring light is reflecting on this, and it honestly looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this, you guys. I currently store my eye brushes and my face brushes in this one container. If you're someone who definitely uses a whole lot more brushes than I do when doing your daily makeup, definitely purchase 2. I would recommend you use one for your face brush and another for your eye brushes. The original retail price for this was $9.99, you guys, and I purchased this for $8.99, so it went down by £1. I'm not quite sure if it's gone down lower, but I absolutely love this, you guys. Love this product. It's just so beautiful, and it sits so beautifully on my makeup table as well. Okay, so next up, you guys, I have something that I absolutely love. If I had to choose one thing out of all the things I purchased from Amazon, it would be this one, and it's this amazing lip gloss holder, you guys. Now this lip gloss holder contains, or holds I should say, 24 lip glosses, and I actually own 2 of these, as I do have quite a lot of lip glosses and matte lipsticks and so forth, and I store all of them in here, you guys. I know some of you probably might be wondering, well, how do you know what product is what? What I like to do is I like to place my lip glosses or matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks upside down, so that way I know the name of the products, you guys. So for instance, this one right here, I've got my MAC Tiana Taylor lip gloss, and I literally just put it in upside down, and that way I can read the name of the lip gloss and grab it and use it. As I said, I do own 2 of these. They just fit perfectly in my Alex drawers, you guys. There's no tight squeeze. I can fit 2 up against each other like so. So let me just show you what one of them looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is one of the acrylic storage lip gloss holders that I currently own. These ones are not upside down just because of the simple fact that I know what lip gloss is what. Like, for instance, these are my Colourpops right here. These are my NYX liquid lipsticks. I've got my Makeup Revolution lip glosses here, Peaches and Cream. I know what ones are in this one. So if you've mesmerized your lip glosses, you'll be able to find them. However, in this one, so any new products in which I purchase, I put them upside down so that way I can familiarize myself with the names of the lip glosses. Now, the original retail price of these lip gloss holders are $19.99, so basically £20, you guys, but I got this for $12.99, you guys, so it literally went down for almost half the price. And as you can see, I purchased two is the minute, because what I like to do, you guys, on Amazon, I heart the things that I want on Amazon, and then I check daily when the price goes down. And when it goes down reasonably enough, you guys, I literally cop them. I put them in my basket, and I've got Prime, so I normally get them next day delivery. Oh, and that's another thing that I forgot to say to you guys. Almost everything here as well, if you are a Prime member, they are Prime products. So if you purchase them today, you are, you know, fortunate enough to get them the following day. And they don't have to be used for lip gloss, you guys. If you're someone who is arty, for instance, if you're an artist, as in a, you know, a painter, or if you're looking for something to put on your stationery desk, you can definitely hold like pens in here, your paint brushes in here. You can definitely, I saw someone else use their makeup brushes. They actually stored individual makeup brushes in each box. Me personally, I just wanted this to store my lip glosses, and I just think they're just so beautiful. And it's acrylic, as you guys know already. I love acrylic, and it stores perfectly in my drawers. Literally, you guys, side by side, they fit in my Alex drawers without a problem. Okay, you guys, so this one is a new buy. I purchased this on Amazon during the quarantine season, and this is an iDesign 3-drawer storage box. Now it's got 3 drawers, as you can see, and I use them for different reasons, you guys. The bottom drawer, I keep all my nail products. The middle drawer, I actually do own false lashes, you guys. I keep my false lashes and tweezers and miniature scissors in here. And then the top one, I keep all my eyeliners, brow pencils, what else do I keep in here? Tweezers, eyeliner coals and stuff like that in the top drawer. Now, the original retail price for this is $17.99, and I don't believe I paid that full price for it, you guys. I haven't got that noted here as to what I purchased this for, but I do know that the original price for this is £18. And as I said, Amazon prices do fluctuate. They do go down, 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 never above the original price, but they do go down, down. So if it's something that you are interested in, definitely heart it. I'll leave the link down below, and just keep checking daily or weekly for, you know, a reasonable price that's within your budget. Now you can obviously store your jewelry in this. I don't, as I already store my jewelry elsewhere in another drawer, but honestly, you guys, it's absolutely amazing. It sits on my makeup table. I don't fit this in my Alex drawers. I fit this on top of my makeup table behind me, and it just sits beautifully, honestly, you guys. Now, it does get dusty. I'll be really honest with you guys. You do get a few fibers at the top here, but I'm literally a clean freak, you guys. So I'm literally cleaning my room, if not once a week, twice a week, you guys. Honestly, you guys, I honestly feel like I have OCD, but yeah, it does get dusty. As you can imagine, it's acrylic, and it's left on the countertop, so you are going to need to get your dusting on. Okay, you guys, so the last product in which I'm going to showcase to you guys are makeup brushes. Yes, your girl purchased makeup brushes from Amazon in the year 2019, and you guys, they were originally 4 brushes, and they still are 4 brushes, but I personally can't find the 4th brush. I only have 3. These makeup brushes I purchased for $7.95. Now, I'm not quite sure if that's the retail price or I purchased it on a sale. but they are still available on Amazon, and I do believe they cost under £10, which is still a bargain. So you get 4 brushes. My apologies, I've only got 3 right now, and they literally come like so, you guys. They have the name Lamora on them. The amazing thing about these brushes, you guys, is the quality. Honestly, you guys, for under £10 for 4 brushes, they work amazingly, you guys. They are definitely beginner friendly if you're just looking for 4 or 3 brushes to get your eyeshadow on: a blending brush, a crease brush, a shader brush, and I can't remember what the other one was. I believe it's a brow brush. Don't quote me. I will definitely leave an image here or just leave all the details down for you guys. So this first one that we have right now, you guys, is a blending brush, and it's called the 113. It's so cute, you guys. It has the name on it, and it's this black, I think these are synthetic brushes, don't quote me, you guys. And then you have a crease brush, which is their 112, can you see? And it's this baby right here. And then you also have the Lamora all over shader brush, which is the number 111, and it literally looks like this, you guys. And as I said, there is a 4th brush, but I can't find it at the moment, you guys. But I do know for a fact, you guys, that all 4 brushes are sold as a set, and they are indeed under £10 on Amazon. So that is it, you guys. I have literally finished my tea down to the bottom, and yeah, delivered the products in which I thought might be useful for you guys. Whether it be for storage, whether it be something nice and clear and transparent just to sit on top of your makeup table. These products are definitely a bargain. As I've already said before, Amazon prices do fluctuate, you guys. Whatever the retail price is, they definitely go down. Whether it be by a few pounds or by a few pence, it is definitely a bargain and something for you to look out for. If there are any products in which you like for yourself, I'll definitely leave the links down below in the order in which I've stated in this video. And you guys, if you haven't already checked out my Instagram, definitely go and check it out. It's at Beauty with Tam. I'll leave that here for you guys to go and check out and follow. And most importantly, you guys, subscribe. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content from myself. See you guys in my next one. Bye.